He's asking for us to take a coffee with feelings. Chicken. No, with
Take a
feelings.
coffee with feeling.
With feelings.
Oh.
Kasi nakamumutog lang ay. Daw.
It's so yummy.
Umutog nga pa nagkapi mo.
Yeah.
Utog.